Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add images or photos as alternative answers to your Kahoot quizzes in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you will need to access the editing panel of your Kahoot quiz. To do that, navigate to your Kahoot account, click into Library, select Kahoots, and go through the list of your Kahoots. Click into these three dots below it and navigate to Edit. So here inside the editing panel, guys, you will see your questions to the left of the quiz. The question at the top. You may add a cover image, add answers below, for example, by clicking into them. And usually there are, as you can see, text answers. But you can also use the option to upload or use images by clicking into this button, Add Image, as an alternative or answer alternative. After that, you will be redirected to an upload tool so that you may locate the file as a JPEG or PNG file format on your device and upload it instead of a text, so like a quiz but without text, just with images. And you can do that for each of your answer here, or by clicking into this button here to the right of the given text field. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.